This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin InReach Explorer Plus. To begin, power on your device by holding the power button for a few seconds. Once it boots up, follow the on-screen prompts for initial setup, including language and time zone. Next, download the EarthMate app on your smartphone and pair your InReach via Bluetooth. Familiarize yourself with the 5 physical buttons on the device. Each has a distinct function for navigation and menu access. The InReach Explorer Plus allows for two-way messaging. To send a custom message, navigate to the Messages menu, select New Message, and type your text using the on-screen keyboard. You can send it to any phone number or email address. For quick communication, utilize the 3 preset messages you can configure beforehand. When you receive a message, a notification appears, and you can reply directly from your device, ensuring constant contact. This device is a powerful navigation tool. Use its built-in GPS and preloaded topographic maps to find your way, even without cellular service. To share your journey, activate the tracking feature, which sends your location at 10-minute intervals to a pre-selected audience. You can also mark specific waypoints, like a campsite or a scenic view, and create detailed routes directly on the device or through the EarthMate app for future adventures. In an emergency, the InReach Explorer Plus provides a critical lifeline. To initiate an SOS alert, lift the protective cap and press the SOS button for 3 seconds. This sends a distress signal with your exact GPS coordinates to the GEO's International Emergency Response Coordination Center, who will communicate with you and coordinate rescue efforts. Remember to use this feature responsibly, as it is for genuine, life-threatening situations only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.